This is a 2023 Chevy Camaro RS package with the V6 engine. It's all stock. We're just going to do a little before and after video. Take this big muffler off the back. We're going to do a axle back dual exhaust, leave it all stock up front. Just take the factory muffler off the back and put some better sounding mufflers and some tips and see what it sounds like here in a minute. Okay, so we've installed the axle back dual exhaust system out to some nice 4-inch black tips. You can see what we call a single chamber V-tube muffler. Just a single chamber muffler and a round tube gives them a nice deep throaty tone to it. Left it all stock like we said up front. Customer doesn't want to wake up the dead, so this will just give a little rumble. Let's see what it sounds like. You could always add a little more sound to it by taking that mid resonator out, putting a X pipe in its place, but I think this is what the customer is looking for.